Hey, everybody, welcome back. MudbugMiniTrucks.com. Today, Mr. Mudbug bringing you a 2003 Hi-Jet dump truck. And not a whole bunch of crazy accessories, but we got the necessities on here. And remember, everything is custom built. This little truck is absolutely mint condition. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, you can see it's plain white. We didn't do any decorative painting or anything. Just plain white. It's a dump truck. It's going to be used on a farm. Check it out, guys. Got that front brush guard. You can see right there. And this design is called a lean-to. As you can see, it's actually called lean forward. You can see right there. It's got about a 15-20 degree angle on it. That way when you hit the brush, it just pushes it forward and doesn't let it hit the cab. And you can see you got that 24-inch LED light bar on the front. We do set it back a little bit. Sometimes we can't. But in this case, we got an opportunity to set it back. So all the stuff hits the brush guard before it hits the light. Got that 4,500-pound Viper winch. Always super clean wire. You can see even all the way down there, all that stuff shrink wrap, covered in netting. It's absolutely beautiful. It is as professional as factory. And today we're going to be running a set of 23-inch Ultra Cross and a chrome wheel. I can't remember the name of it, guys, but you can find them all on my YouTube, all of them on my page, mudbugminitrucks.com. Click on the tire and rim tabs and you can pick what you need from there. And they do have you know, the 4100, 4110 and 4115 bolt patterns. Just going to go down the side of the truck just to kind of show you. Had those 450 progressive coils up front. We do change the shocks, put your HD shock in the rear. And again, guys, just looking down the side of this truck, it is so clean. It's about 35, 37 degrees here right now, so it's pretty dang cold. So I got no sun, so it's not going to show you exactly how clean everything is. But overall, the truck is absolutely a 9.5 out of 10. It's just phenomenal. And I know what you're saying, Mr. Mudbug, how can I get me one of your legendary trucks? You just got to call this number, or 866-MUDBUGS. You can find us on YouTube, Instagram. I don't know, we everywhere. I don't take care of the marketing stuff, but we're pretty much anywhere. But that's my number right there, or 866-MUDBUGS, minitrucks.com. All right, I'm going to open the door so you can see the inside. Truck is super clean. Bam, look at that. Really nice. Really nice. And guys, I know a lot of people say, hey, how can I find what year my truck is? You can just check on that tag right there. And that tag is going to tell you what year your truck is. I know a lot of people don't know that. So I figured I'd mention that beans I've seen the tag hanging out. And again, guys, truck is in really nice condition. And it's a low mileage truck. We'll go around the other side. And everybody knows dump trucks do get worked a little bit harder than the average truck. Deck vans do get a little more mileage on them because they're more of your everyday used vehicles versus these little pickup trucks. But again, interior looks fantastic. We noticed something today. We just noticed this. There was a towel across the seat when it came in, and we left it there just because we were working on the truck. We didn't want to get any stains on the seats. So we left it there, but when we took that towel off to do the detail today, we noticed this little thing here. That's a Jimmy rigging if I ever seen it, but we're not putting custom interior in it either, so unfortunately that got by us, but if you wanted to do it, we sure put custom interior. Anyway, guys, take a look. This here is your touch four-wheel drive. You just push that in. This is the light bar switch that controls the light bar up front, and you'll notice there's a remote control here. And this controls all the functions of the light bar. Up here you're going to see we put a Bluetooth stereo system. Over here is the locking differential button. And you'll notice all my trucks have AC heat. Okay, so you're always comfortable no matter what season it is. That's a 5-speed with a high-low transmission. Look at that. That is nice. That's all my trucks, guys. I don't buy anything less. Let's go ahead and show you that dump. It's real simple to operate. You just push up that button. Push the little tab in, and watch the bad boy go up. I always do this in every video. That way it shows everybody, you know, the owner of the truck, that it does work 100% and there's no leaks or anything. So I like to show that off with every truck. I know it's monotonous for you guys, my viewers who see this stuff every day, you know, seeing the bed go up and down and all that stuff. But I like to show it anyway. That way the owner knows it is fully operational. I'm going to go ahead and close this down. Boom. All right, guys. Well, anyway, back here we got a few trucks. We got 2 dump trucks that are available I got a little Nissan right there, HD model with a PTO, and then 2013 to the right hand side of that. And then I've got 4 or 5 pickup trucks back there, 1 deck van left. I have a whole shipment coming in, about 13 trucks coming in February, and then I have another 6 coming in March, and so on. So if I don't have what you want now, I'll have it later. I don't want to show too much of my trucks all back there because I got some custom trucks being built. So the star of the show today is my little 2003 Daihatsu dump truck. Anyway, guys, it is about 35 degrees, I think, is last I looked here. Gonna drop down to 29 degrees in Texas, so it's nice and chilly. And I hope you can hear the audio because it's about 30-mile-an-hour wind. Anyway, guys, as usual, thank y'all so much for looking. God bless you. Y'all take care, and howdy from Texas.